In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to back up your Monday.com account. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's dive into the process. To start, you'll need to log in to your Monday.com account. Make sure you're using a profile that has administrative permissions because you'll need access to the settings for this operation. Once you're logged in, look for your profile icon, which is located in the bottom left corner of your interface screen. Click on that icon and a pop-up menu will appear. From this menu, select the Administration option. This will open up the Account Management area, where you can find various settings relevant to your account. Next, turn your attention to the vertical menu on the left side of the screen. Here you'll see an option labeled Account. Click on this tab to access the account details. Now we're almost there. Scroll down to the bottom of the account page until you see the section labeled Export Account Data. This is where the backup process begins. In this section, you'll find an Export button. Go ahead and click that button. When you do, a background process will start. This process bundles your boards and files together for export. It's important to note that you'll need to wait for a confirmation email. This email will be sent to your admin email address and will contain a secure download link for your account data file. So keep an eye on your inbox as it may take some time for the email to arrive. Once you receive that confirmation email, open it up. Inside, you should find the download link for your account data file. It's essential to act on this email within 24 hours of initiating the export, as the link may expire after that period. When you click on the download link, your data will be packaged in a zip file. Make sure to download this file promptly. After downloading, you need to store it safely. I recommend saving it on an external drive or, if you prefer, a secure cloud storage service. Both options can help ensure that your backup is protected and easily accessible when needed. That's it. You have successfully backed up your Monday.com account. It's a straightforward process, but it's incredibly important for safeguarding your data. Regular backups can help you avoid losing critical information and ensure that your projects continue smoothly, even in the face of unexpected events. Thank you for sticking with me through this tutorial. I hope you found it helpful in managing your Monday.com data effectively. Don't forget to subscribe for more useful tips and tricks, and feel free to leave any questions in the comments. Happy backing up